Okay, good day, guys. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe to this channel, please make sure you don't go without subscribing. Click on that subscribe button, like, share, also make your comments. Would definitely love to watch out for it. So we want to see what AUD will actually be moving out for this week. One thing that I'm watching out for is a bullish move for this week. So I'll be expecting this movement. At least we should be able to expect grab 100 pips on AUD USD for this week. Right now, last week, which was on Friday, a lot of crazy move actually played out, right? We expected major news to come out, like from JPY to CAD to GBP to USD. Basically, the market was crazy on Friday. Also, Friday, which is the last day of the week, I actually gave an advice. Actually, if it is best for you, it will be best for you to actually not take any trade that day. But unfortunately, a lot of people took that trade, a lot of people lost, and it's very, very unfortunate. But I think with an experience, right, in my experience, I've get to know that Friday, which is the last day of the week, is actually not really a good day to actually take your trade. There are some people that are actually making a lot, that are actually killing it on Friday. I won't doubt, but to me, with my experience, I actually don't see it that way. Coupled with the fact that when you are expecting major news on different pairs, like CAD, JPY, GBP, and USD, basically we expect a lot of volatility that day. We expect the markets to move crazy, and it is that same day liquidity tends to play out. A lot of traders tends to wipe out. You see price go up, take out a lot of traders, then come down to take a lot of traders. That is one of the reasons why I give that advice that if in case you want to take that trade, be very, very careful. And a lot of people lost. So if in case you're interested in high probability trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning, especially if you are lost, if you are losing, you can just come to this channel. I'm going to put a link to this channel, which is my Patreon channel. I'll be putting out high probability trade here. Trade that has 70 to 90% chance of winning. You can sign up. You get access to this trade, by the way. And if in case you need some proof, you can actually check my channel, go to my playlist. I've actually put together some, trade we actually took. I've put them, I actually categorize them. You can actually check it from date to date. This link for March 6 to 10, I'm going to put a link so you can actually watch some of this trade that actually took, right? We actually had a very, very fantastic trade this week. You can go there and watch it. I mean, very, very good trade. You can see. So once you sign up, you'll definitely get access to those trade that I'll be putting. I want to actually give it a try for just a month. Just a month, give it a try, then you will see the trade. Now back to this analysis. Like I said, I'll be expecting kind of like a bullish move. Let's see if you can hit about 100 pips on AUD USD. So this price is actually bouncing here. Do not be surprised if this sudden sharp move on AUD play out, because once this sharp move plays out, then we have to see this bullish move. Or once markets opens, we start seeing that bullish move. So there are two ways AUD USD starts giving us that movement upward. First, we might see a sharp drop. Once we can see that, get that sharp drop on AUD USD, I believe this market will start giving us that bullish move. Or we start seeing that this bullish move, from here. So basically, this is what I'll be expecting on AUD USD. So be very careful before you actually take this buy. Be very, very careful, because I think a sharp drop is going to play out at the same time, but it might not play out. We start seeing this bullish move, and if you start seeing it, you wait for confirmation. You actually get your your buy set up. Sorry, then you can go ahead and take your buy on AUD USD. So if in case you're interested in high probability trade, you can just give it a try. The link to the Patreon channel is in the comment section.